Hi, welcome to my kitchen. This is Shruti Sajjan. Today I am preparing a street chaat that is Sev Puri. To prepare Sev Puri, you need
Papdis or flattened puris, boiled and mashed potato, finely chopped onions, finely chopped tomatoes, green chutney or coriander mint chutney, sweet chutney, a pinch of roasted cumin powder, a pinch of red chili powder, this is optional, a pinch of chaat masala, and lots of sage. Sevpuri is all about assembling the ingredients. Arrange the papdis in a plate. On each papdi, place a boiled and mashed potatoes. Now I am adding onions, finely chopped tomatoes, coriander mint chutney. I have already added salt in this chutney, so I am not adding any extra salt. You can add these chutneys according to your taste. Sweet chutney. If you want to know how to make these chutneys, the link is provided in the description box below. Roasted cumin powder, red chili powder, chaat masala, finely chopped cilantro, and finally save. You have to add a very generous amount of save and your save puri is ready. Thanks for watching my video.